cousin from Malaysia. We are at Johor Bahru.
At our cousin's house.
Yeah.
At Ada Heights.
Hello.
Masih in English. What's your name?
What are you doing?
What is your name?
What's your name?
I see you.
What is your name?
What is your name? Faika.
What's your age?
4 years old.
4 years old. She's so cute. She looks very Chinese.
See, her eyes look like pet.
Yeah.
Oh, Nina.
Flying kiss, flying kiss. Okay, okay.
Hi.
Hello.
We just got back from City Square.
Yeah, and we're quite smelly. We smell of lobster. And know what? We found something about the uniqueness of Johor.
Yeah.
But what?
The bell-bottom pants.
Yeah. I don't know why people like to wear that type.
She's not from Johor, FYI. She's from
Okay.
she's from Singapore. So it's very unique to see something.
Yeah, but quite weird.
Yeah, very weird. So,
They keep laughing about that and
it's very funny. Every 1 minute we always see like someone wearing bell-bottom pants, which is pretty weird.
annoying.
And I forget to bring my video cam inside the car. If not, it can like show how crazy our hair was inside the Kuala Gallery.
It's like a museum now.
Yeah, it's like a museum. Like everyone's towels on the railing.
Hello, selamat datang ke Museum Kuala. We are at the Towel Museum. This towel type dia daripada memang type sutera daripada Itali.
Alah.
Kau yang pakai lagi koyak. Memang koyak. Tak koyak. Dia aku orang. Benda koyak. This is the auntie.
And Miss Akmal is back from his dinner.
Chan.
Yeah.
Sayang, apa kabar denganmu? Di sini ku merindukan kamu. Ku harap cintamu takkan berubah, karena di sini ku tetap untukmu. Sayang, apa kabar denganmu? Cobalah kamu telepon diriku. Ku rindu dengar suara indahmu, karena dirimulah semangat hidupku.
We are currently filming our so-called cameraman, yes, but Lin, she's doing a good job. So yeah, bye. Bye. Hello. Hello. It looked like a octopus tentacles. So yeah.
plastic bag, drifting through the wind, wanting to start again. Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine, just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go
Welcome. And this is Zaza. This is our first time coming here.
Macam makan sate je. Tu kat dapur punya lagi besar.
Yo.